What if cooking could be faster, easier, and way more fun? Imagine whipping up perfect eggs without watching the stove, slicing through anything like a pro chef, or never overcooking meat again. From Instant Pot electric pressure cooker to the Smart Meat Thermometer, these crazy kitchen finds will transform the way meals come together. Stick around to see how these gadgets work and check the description for links to all the must-have tools mentioned in this video. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The 7-in-1 multifunctional cooker is a kitchen powerhouse, combining a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer into a single appliance. With 13 customizable smart programs, it simplifies meal preparation by allowing easy one-touch cooking for ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, desserts, and more. Whether cooking quickly or opting for slow-cooked flavors, it delivers delicious meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, while still supporting classic recipes with a slow-cook function. The stainless steel sides resist fingerprints, and the dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories ensure effortless cleaning. Over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a secure locking lid, provide peace of mind while cooking. Designed to accommodate larger families, it prepares meals for up to 8 people, making it perfect for gatherings or meal prepping. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot features a tri-ply bottom for even cooking and excellent sautéing. The Instant Brands Connect app offers an extensive collection of recipes to inspire a variety of flavorful dishes. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a game-changer for anyone who loves eggs but wants an easier way to cook them. This small yet powerful appliance guarantees perfect eggs every time, whether soft, medium, or hard-boiled. With a capacity of 6 eggs, it saves both time and water while ensuring consistent results. The shells peel off effortlessly, making cleanup quick and simple. It is perfect for busy families, picky eaters, or those with packed schedules. With just a push of a button, it can prepare hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and more in just minutes. Weighing only 1 pound, this compact and lightweight cooker fits perfectly in small kitchens, college dorms, or RVs. The sleek design and trendy color options make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It comes with a poaching tray, omelet tray, 6-egg holder tray, measuring cup, and a recipe book. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Cooking eggs has never been this easy or convenient. KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and bake. This lightweight and powerful mixer makes blending ingredients effortless, whether stirring in chunky pieces like nuts and chocolate chips at a low speed or whipping egg whites and heavy cream at a higher setting. With 5 speeds to choose from, it provides complete control over mixing tasks. The soft grip handle ensures a comfortable hold, while the round cord is designed for easy cleaning. The cord can be locked into position on either side, allowing flexibility in approaching ingredients from different angles. A single button press makes removing attachments quick and simple, saving time and effort. This mixer runs on 120 volts and 60 watts, making it efficient without taking up much space. It transforms cooking by making mixing smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether prepping dough, batter, or frosting, this tool eliminates the struggle of manual mixing and delivers perfectly blended ingredients with ease. Cuisinart Electric Knife. The Cuisinart Electric Knife is a powerful tool that makes slicing easier and more precise. It comes with 2 high-quality stainless steel blades, one designed for carving meat and the other for cutting bread. The sharp edges glide through food with minimal effort, delivering clean and even slices every time. The included butcher block holding tray keeps the knives and motor base organized when not in use, adding convenience to any kitchen setup. With an ergonomically designed handle, the knife is comfortable to hold and features a one-touch pressure-activated on-off trigger with a safety lock for added security. This design ensures better control while cutting, making meal preparation quicker and more efficient. Whether slicing a roast for dinner or cutting fresh bread, the blades work smoothly, reducing strain on the hands. This electric knife transforms the way food is prepared by delivering professional-level results at home. Meter plus Smart Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus is a game-changing wireless meat thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking meat to perfection. Rated the best by Food and Wine and recommended by top publications like Men's Health, BuzzFeed, and Forbes, this smart tool is trusted by experts. With 100% wire-free technology, it allows complete freedom to cook indoors or outdoors. The long-range Bluetooth 4 connectivity reaches up to 165 feet in a typical home, and the free app available for iOS and Android makes monitoring easy. The bamboo block charger not only keeps the probe secure, but also acts as a signal repeater for better connectivity, featuring 2 sensors in a single probe. It accurately tracks both internal meat temperature up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient temperature up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit. The guided cook system in the app helps achieve perfect results by estimated cooking and resting times, reducing stress. This essential tool is perfect for grilling, roasting, and smoking, making it an excellent gift for barbecue lovers, chefs, and food enthusiasts. Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. The Lodge Cast Iron cookware is a must-have for every kitchen, whether for beginners, home cooks, or chefs. This pan works on any cooktop, oven, grill, or open flame, making it incredibly versatile. Made in America with iron and oil, it has a naturally seasoned surface that improves with each use, creating an easy release finish that enhances cooking. The seasoning is achieved by baking oil into the iron, preventing rust and eliminating the need for synthetic coatings or chemicals. Every Lodge pan comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, and continued use only makes it better. If a spot that looks like rust appears, it is simply oil that has not fully carbonized. With regular use, this disappears, but if needed, scrubbing with steel wool, rinsing, drying, and applying vegetable oil restores the surface. The skillet's unmatched heat retention ensures even cooking from edge to edge. While it heats up slowly, it holds heat longer, making it ideal for pan frying and roasting, creating flavorful meats that will last a lifetime. Chef and Freshforce Citrus Juicer. This lemon and lime hand juicer makes squeezing citrus fruits easier and more efficient. It produces 20% more juice than other citrus juicers, ensuring no drop goes to waste. The dual gear mechanism increases pressure power, which means less effort is needed to get maximum juice. Made with durable nylon and stainless steel, this juicer is built to last, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Using it is simple. Just cut a lemon or lime in half, place it cut side down in the juicer, and squeeze. The dual gear system does most of the work, reducing strain on the hands. Whether making fresh lemonade, adding citrus to a recipe, or preparing cocktails, this tool delivers excellent results with minimal effort. Cleaning is easy as well. The handles fully extend, allowing the juicer to be placed on the top rack of the dishwasher. With its strong design and efficient performance, this juicer saves time and effort while ensuring every bit of juice is extracted. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. This kitchen silicone utensil rest is a must-have for keeping countertops clean while cooking. It has raised edges that catch drips from spoons, spatulas, and other utensils, preventing oil and sauce from messing up the stovetop. This simple yet effective tool helps maintain a neat and tidy cooking space, making meal preparation more enjoyable. With 4 slots, it provides enough space to hold multiple utensils at the same time, keeping them organized and within reach. Instead of searching for the right tool, everything stays in one place for a smooth and hassle-free cooking experience. Made from food-grade silicone, it is heat-resistant and can be placed near the stove without any issues. The non-slip base ensures stability, preventing any accidental spills. Cleaning up is effortless, as it can be placed in the dishwasher after use. Designed to last, this utensil rest is a practical and affordable solution for a cleaner kitchen. It also makes a thoughtful, housewarming gift that anyone who loves cooking will appreciate. And there you have it, some of the craziest kitchen gadgets that can totally transform the way you cook. Which one was your favorite? Or do you have a must-have gadget we missed? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds. See you next time.